Get him the ski mask.
The drinking don't have nothing to do with it, does it, Kevin?
You would have done it anyway.
Oh, I'm getting videotaped.
Uncle Kevin's gonna jump in the snow. He's crazy like that.
Romeo, what's up, puppy?
Are these too small? These are mine.
Thought it'd be good. I think I see some pit snow out there, right there.
Yeah, you gotta do it naked. Oh. Go for it, Brian.
Did you hear Austin? My dad won't like it.
I believe I jumped in the Zrinski Lake last
Oh, your
year.
Jaguar won't?
I believe I ran into Zrinski Lake last year when it was cold, so. Ski mask? It was.
He's gonna jump in it.
He's gonna jump in it.
Like this.
What? Who moved it out? Who moved
How
it
does this
out?
thing work?
Set those out first.
Right like that.
Do you want to take your dog with you?
Nope.
You have to jump right in there, Romeo.
I told him to stay.
You have to put your mouth on that yellow thing right there.
Right in that yellow.
How much video you got on that?
I don't know, you better hurry up before my battery dies.
Do it again.
Steph's gonna be like, hold on, we need to move this table over a
No,
little
you're
bit.
good.
Just go. Steph's going like,
No,
why
I
are you
should be
full of
because I
snow?
couldn't do it.
Is the light on out there?
You're like, why are you full of snow? Oh, let me make sure I'm straight. I'm having second thoughts. No.
Okay.
Go now.
1, 2, 3, go. Open up the door.
Go. Open it.
Open all the way. Go. Go, 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 go. Hey, that drift's been there for a long time.
Hold on, no.
Stay outside. Don't come in my house.
Hold on, I want to do a swan dive now.
Jump out further. To say, don't dive head first, because that drift's been there for a long time, and it's been
I'm
melted.
gonna go out here and do a swan dive.
As hard as a rock.
You can get it up.
He said,
Stay there.
Swan dive.
Slip.
Ready?
Here, Austin. Stay there.
Actually, should I do a cannonball?
Come on, you're getting
Yeah.
snow all over.
You gotta jump further. Put snow in his underwear.
Nah, he already got it.
That's kind of fun, actually.
okay, gotta brush off.
Yeah, now you gotta go. I'll walk all the way around and get out.
Is that funny? Is Uncle Kevin funny?
Jeez, Kevin.
That would have sucked if I had done that naked.
Not soft snow, is it?
I thought it was gonna be, but it's definitely.
That drift, that's what I'm trying to tell you. That drift's been there for a long time. We got all that rain and everything, so it's solid underneath.
No, he's not doing it again. No. He's not
Take
doing
your
it
hat
again.
off. I should have made a snow angel. Look at that. Perfect body mark out there.
Just drop the stuff here, it'll dry. It probably wasn't that cold because you had the face mask on.
It wasn't cold.
Do you want to take one of these towels and just like wipe your foot? That wasn't bad at all. Really? That's not what I meant.
Kevin just selfed it.
She told me to. That's not what I meant, but that's alright.
It's just.
Oh, I know. It's just water.
I would have laughed if it was like really hard.
Yeah, I knew it was going to be pretty damn hard out there.
No cushioning at all. I really thought I would be able to dive into it.
That would have been cool.
I was gonna
Like disappear.
Wrong!